everybody, welcome back to my channel. Dana Cole here. I'm back today with a video, behind the scenes video for you guys, and I'm also going to be talking about a product by Elinchrom that I got to test out. It is a new battery powered light by them, and it is called One. So let's just get into this video, shall we? Alright you guys, so this is the One. Elinchrom's first battery powered monolight that they officially launched on Tuesday the 10th. If you follow me on Instagram and Facebook or Facebook, you know I spoke about this on the 10th. I was one of the lucky photographers to be sent this out earlier before the official launch by Elinchrom to test out, try out, see what I thought about it, and I love it. Yeah, I really love it actually. So we're just going to talk a little bit about it, specs, and I'm going to show you guys a little behind the scenes of what I did with it and so forth. Okay, so just before I get into this, just a disclaimer for those of you who are kind of new to my channel, or yeah, completely new to my channel. I am not like a technical info gear talk type channel. I am going to talk about the One, but I'm not going to go into like detail of the specs, etc. I will leave a link below to Elinchrom's page about all of that, so you can read all of it if you're interested in the light. I am going to go over the main specs, of course, but again, I'm not going to go detailed into it. Yeah, that's not necessarily what I do on my channel. So, but getting into some of the specs of the One, it is 131 watts. I know for some of you that might be a bit low or not enough, but I do know Elinchrom is coming out with a 5. And I think that one's going to be a bit bigger than this one, and that one's probably going to have more of the watts that some of you guys may want, so be on the lookout for that. I think they're dropping that next year or something. But yeah, so this one has 131 watts. It flash output, it's standard HSS and TTL availability. It is very lightweight. This is 1.5 kilograms, or like 3 pounds, 3.3 pounds or something like that. So you guys, this is very lightweight, and I love that because a lot of my other lights that I have right now are a bit heavier, and then when you add the C-stand, the stand, and then you add the modifier, we're talking 12 to 15 pounds of stuff that I'm moving around. This was so lightweight, even with the Rotolux Octabox that I paired it with. It just felt so great to move around, and I love that. So you know, my hands weren't all tired and so forth. So yeah, that's a pro, that this is very lightweight. And look at it, you guys, look how cute it is. Now, I know some people are not that big on aesthetics of lights. You know, the light is just light. It's something they use to get the photo that they want, to light the image, etc. And yes, that is also what I use it for as well, but I am also an aesthetics girl, so I like lights that look cute, or that look sexy, or that look sleek, and this has all three of those things. It's cute, it's sexy, and it's sleek. I'm just gonna turn it on. So this green thing here, which is the Elinchrom logo, this actually lights up, so I'm gonna turn this on. So I'm turning it on. Okay, so this lights up green, orange, or red. If it's green, that means it's charged, the battery's ready for you to use. If it's orange or yellow, I can't remember, that means it's getting time for you to charge it up, and red means you need to charge it. And then of course it's, you can move the dial here. It's also touch screen. It's touchscreen, so you can, you know, touch it to get to the screen, get to the icon you want to change, which is also cool. So it comes with a frosted dome like you see here, but you can also take this off, and then you have just the exposed flash tube here. And yeah, so you can shoot it this way with the modifier, or then you can shoot it, or you can just shoot it bare bulb if you like the hard lights, you know, like I like. And then, or you can shoot it with the dome on, and you can shoot it this way. Now, the thing I like about this is that I can use, it's compatible with ProPhoto modifiers. So if you already have ProPhoto or ProPhoto modifiers like softboxes, octoboxes, magnums, zoom reflectors, whatever, if you have modifiers by ProPhoto, you can put them on here, which is big pro, because I have some ProPhoto modifiers, and with the exposed flash tube, they will work a bit better than they do with my ProPhoto lights that do not have the exposed flash tube. So it comes in this cute little case, like so, and it's very small, so you know you can carry this, take it with you if you're if you shoot on location, which is cool. It's not very heavy. Again, you can just put it all in here, and I'm going to open it. So the light sits here, and then it comes with its own adapter. So that's a plus. It comes with its own adapter. It comes with, of course, the charger that looks like this, of course. So you just plug it in, and it has many different plug outlets in here that it actually comes with. So it has the American one on there already, but then this is the European one. So I was just able to slide that on there like so. And then it has like 3 or 4 other ones here for other parts of the world. So it already comes with that, you guys, which is very cool. And then of course here's all the warranty, instruction manual stuff. So yeah, it's a really nice little box that it comes in, a little nice little kit for you. Like I said, I am really loving it. I am going to get a second one just so I can do 2 light setup looks, overhead looks, because it's so light. No cords, yay! So I'm definitely going to get a second one of these just so I can have 2. But if Elinchrom, if you want to send me another one, I am perfectly okay with that. So I'm gonna show you guys now what we did and show you how I used the one with the Octobox, with the Rodolux Octobox, and show you the results. right, you guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions about anything, of course, always leave them in the comments. Let me know what you thought of the video. Leave a comment below if you want to see a certain video, a future video for me. Let me know what it is. I'll see if I can do it. Thank you, Elinchrom, for sending me the one, letting me try it out, letting me test it. Yeah, and that's it for today. I hope you guys have a good rest of your week and weekend, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Like to out the door, then you have